Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the brand new Mac Mini M4 Pro. This is the base model, but I'm pretty much going to say don't let that fool you, it's packed with some serious power. This is the box that it comes in. You can see this is still unopened. Alright, let's get this opened as we've done, and we'll have a little look inside. This thing is compact, but it's definitely got some weight to it. You can tell it's solid. But let's just set this aside for a moment and we'll see what else is inside the box. Nice braided power supply. Just a very simple guide showing you the awesome power button, which many people have memed about online. Some information about the front of the device and some information about the back. Some safety and handling. I'm pretty sure none of us need to know the safety and handling, but if you do, that's definitely your guide. Alright, let's take a closer look at the actual Mac itself. The design is pretty much the same sleek aluminium that we're used to with Apple, and along with the back, there's plenty of connectivity. Let's get this wrapper removed. It's quite satisfying pulling this off. Some more warnings and instructions. We'll set that aside. Got your power, your internet, HDMI 2.1, and on the Pro model, these are Thunderbolt 5 ports. Note on the base model, the M4, you do not get Thunderbolt 5, they're only Thunderbolt 4, so that's an important thing to note. And on the front, as you can see, this is already a bit of a finger or hand oil magnet. You have two USB-C ports and a headphone jack. Underneath, you have the cooling area. I believe it sucks in the colder air at the front and blows the hot air out the back. But this is truly a really small device. And that's it, the Mac Mini M4 Pro base model. Compact, powerful, and ready to tackle pretty much just about any task. Thanks for joining me on this quick unboxing. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see this Mac Mini put to the test. Until then, take care.